What is up, ladies and gentlemen of the Ubers? Welcome back to On Two Wheels. Oh yeah, welcome back to Horsepower Hill. Welcome back to a Canyon Riders Association ride. Oh man, I've been gone way too long. I tell you what, there's just something about being on two wheels. You can just feel your stress melt away. Nice effort, Jake. Bye. Can't go sedate up to Horsepower Hill. It's a rule. I think it's actually a law. And I'm not gonna go fucking full out because it's been a while, but I'm still gonna have some fun up Horsepower Hill because this is my jam right here, y'all. Gotta let Empress stretch her legs a little bit. Oh, nice LJ. Oh. I'll shut up and just ride. How about that? Here's a cut. Oh, that's bad. Oh man, I've missed this bike. I've missed Horsepower Hill. I've missed being out on two. Oh, this is so much fun. Alrighty, guys. So if you guys are not familiar, that is Horsepower Hill. That is one of my favorite stretches of road. We're right at the top now, so I'm gonna slow down and only do 90. And I'm gonna pull over here at the overlook, and I will give you guys a walk around on the few changes that have been made to my beautiful Empress, and I will preview some of the changes that are coming to beautiful Empress. Now the snowflake is at about 90%, and I'm very thoroughly impressed and pleased with the way Snowflake is performing. She's now caught up to Empress, so now Empress can get some attention. Oh. All right, see you guys at the scenic overlook.
Floyd knows what the hell he's doing.
Alrighty guys, so small little changes. Swapped out the fake carbon fiber plastic huggers. These are real carbon fiber now. And I swapped out the X grip. So now instead of the X grip, we've got rock forms offering. We've all heard of quad lock. This is the rock form. It's the rock form case for the Note 20 Ultra. I honestly like the rock form a lot better than the quad lock because it's a classy looking case. I think it looks good. And this all billet aluminum, fucking quality. So then it just goes in, locks, the magnet locks it on, and that thing doesn't move. I'll be doing a review of that here in a couple weeks. But that's the updates on what has happened to Empress. What is going to happen to Empress is all underneath here. I've actually finally got all the parts in from Italy to put the full racing RSV4 with the Sprint filter intake on this. And I've got to send the map out to Bren Tuning, and then I'm going to coordinate with Bart down at Imperial, and we are going to get her tuned as optimally as we can. And I'm hoping I can get 180 horsepower at the wheel out of Empress. So hopefully I don't take as long to come back and check in with you guys on the next time, but thank you for being so patient, being awesome. Look at this view. Oh, Love Colorado. Love each and every one of you guys. Remember, keep that shiny side up, that rubber side down. Peace.